One is the Niti Aayog, I think, is going to be a forum where, and I said this in a piece I wrote last week, that we need to create mutual assessment, mutual accountability mechanisms in Niti Aayog. Because if you're moving to cooperative federalism, I think all federal structures need to have these kinds of, and where it cannot be, it cannot be the center dictating, because those days are gone. I think it has to be softer forms of, what is the word I'm looking for? Well, it's soft obligations as opposed to hard. Yeah, exactly. You can't have, you can't have IMF type conditionality between the center and the states. It's a different political setup. I think the other point, I think, which one needs to remember is that, see, in all of this, the philosophy in all of this also is that, just as you're going to have cooperative federalism, you're also going to have competitive federalism. That the more the check, then one check when you devolve more is that if some states do badly, they're going to lose out. And you have to believe that about India going forward, because that's been a powerful force for change in India. So in that sense, there's some, I'm not saying again hard budget constraint, but some sort of softer constraints, disciplining mechanisms that arise from this kind of cooperative, competitive federalism.
And monitoring mechanism would also be.
Yeah, I think that would be part of the Niti Aayog thing, that you get some part of when I mean mutual accountability, some monitoring again not dictating monitoring, but monitoring together, collective self-monitoring.